Leave those numbers. Well, Arizona is one of more than 24 states that will not sign on to a settlement involving Live Nation. The lawsuit was over ticket prices and whether Live Nation and Ticketmaster were a monopoly. 12 News journalist William Pitts. He is live outside Mortgage Matchup Center in downtown Phoenix with more on why Arizona says that settlement doesn't go far enough. No, Arizona wants to keep fighting, right, Will?
Yeah, and you know how crazy ticket prices can be for concerts, for festivals, for events, things like that. That's what this lawsuit is all about. And Arizona says it's going to keep fighting this in court. And Arizona Attorney General Chris May says the case is strong and that settlement doesn't go far enough to paying back or breaking up the monopoly. Now, Ticketmaster's been under fire for decades, going all the way back to when they had a large fight with Pearl Jam in the 90s. This actually comes from Taylor Swift's Eras Tour, though. If you tried to get tickets, you were 1,000th, 2,000th, 3,000th in line. Ticket prices were sky high. People were complaining about customer service. There were fees that basically doubled the price in some cases. But there were no other options for tickets. It was Ticketmaster or nothing. Ticketmaster merged with Live Nation. They own now some of the venues. They do their own promotions for the events, and they control the ticket sales. Now, the Department of Justice back in 2024 said that makes them a monopoly and sued them. Now, this settlement means Live Nation will have to cap its service fees. They'll have to sell off 13 of its venues nationwide and create a $280 million fund for the states. Now, the Department of Justice endorsed that deal now, saying it's a win-win for everyone. But there are 25 states and Washington, D.C. that are rejecting it, including Arizona, saying it doesn't do enough or anything to break up that monopoly. Now, the National Independent Venue Association said they don't like that deal either. They're saying that $280 million basically equates to 4 days' worth of profits for Live Nation. So really, if that went into effect today, they would have paid it off by Monday. We're live in Phoenix. William Pitts, 12 News.
All right. We appreciate that, Will. Thank you so much.